In this video, we will show you how to get a loan on Experian. If you guys want to get started with Experian, you can use the links down in the description. Start by checking your credit score using Experian's free credit report service. This will give you an idea of your credit worthiness and help you understand what loan options might be available to you. Now, calculate the amount you need to borrow and ensure it fits within your budget. Consider any fees or interest rates that may apply. Experian offers a pre-qualification process where you can see loan offers from various lenders without impacting your credit score. This helps you compare rates and terms. Then decide on the type of loan you need, such as personal loan, debt consolidations loan, or student loan. Once you've chosen a lender and loan type, submit your application through Experian's website or directly with the lender. Carefully review the loan terms, including the interest rate, payment schedule, and any fees. If you're satisfied with the offer, accept the loan and follow the lender's instructions to complete the process. So that's how to get a loan on Experian. Make sure to use the links down in the description to get started with Experian. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.